Do you like waking up in those chilly mornings to switch on the water heater for a bath? If your answer is no, here's something to make your life easier. Presenting the revolutionary Ondeo Evo iPro water heater from Hindware Atlantic. The latest smart water heater comes with IoT-enabled technology and voice control feature, keeping in mind the convenience and comfort of your everyday lives. The stylish Ondeo Evo iPro has a beautifully contrasting touchkey display which shows temperature, time remaining for shower and real-time status of water heater. With IoT technology, the water heater harnesses the power of internet to operate. It can be accessed from anywhere at any time using Hindware Appliances mobile app or conveniently through voice command or even through the touchscreen provided. But how does it transform into real usage? Let's have a look. This intelligent water heater has 3 operating modes: Auto, Scheduler and Standby. The Auto mode maintains water temperature as set by you. With Scheduler mode, you can easily set a time when you want hot water ready for use. The mobile app facilitates you to set your bath from anywhere at any time. You can set up to 14 schedules in a week. And the standby mode can be used to avoid water freezing at places with extremely low temperatures. The intelligent water heater even comes with geofencing technology. It senses when you're about to reach home and keeps your hot water ready. The smart Ondeo Evo iPro comes with 3 preset modes of hot water: Eco, Comfort and Power mode. You can also adjust temperature as per your need in the custom mode. It's a water heater that listens to you. Yes, Hindware Atlantic Ondeo Evo iPro works with Amazon Alexa to give you a complete hands-free experience. So sit back and just say the word, "Alexa, set my water heater to comfort mode," and your favorite mode will be activated. You can even ask Alexa, "What is ready time of my water heater?" to know when your shower will be ready. And lastly, just when you thought it couldn't get any better, we brought a whole new level of innovation which makes your water heater take care of itself. With the Auto Fresh cycle function, you can keep your water heater tank hygienic and free from bacteria with just a tap on your smartphone. It also increases the water heater's life. The smart app notifies you every 30 days to run Auto Fresh cycle. Experience freshness, convenience and warmth of Hindware Atlantic Ondeo Evo iPro with a promise of reliable technology that brings more power to you. Indulge in smart living with Hindware Atlantic water heaters.